Hi, today we're going to talk about what happens when you have the unfortunate event of losing someone through some kind of tort. In other words, a negligent act or an intentional act even, where someone dies as a result. I'm not talking about in a criminal court setting. We've had several cases recently where we have deaths. For example, they may be in a hospital setting, they may be in a nursing home setting. My name is Mike Ashworth. I'm with the Wirth Law Office, and today we're going to talk about personal injury law in the sense of what happens if as a consequence someone dies or they have a lawsuit, the right to bring a suit, but they die before they can bring it. What happens is you need to go to an attorney that handles personal injury law and knows what they're doing. And one of the other things is that in an instance where someone dies, when I have a lawsuit, I have a right to sue somebody because they caused me harm and I pass away. What happens? Well, then my estate, the memory of who I was, legally speaking, called an estate, has the right to sue. And what happens is that means you have to go to two courts. You go to probate court, which is wills, trusts, and estates, and then you may file suit in the district court for personal injury, wrongful death, and things of that type. So it's important you go to a law firm that just doesn't do this every so often. It's important you go to a law firm that knows when you have a case where someone has passed away, and at the time of their death, they were possessed of a right to bring a suit of some kind, that they know to send them to a probate specialist to get appointed as a special administrator, personal representative, executor, something of that type. If a person doesn't have a will, it doesn't change things. Then what you do is you have to file a probate intestate. In other words, the person died and they hadn't made all these arrangements. So if you have that horrible, unfortunate event where someone close to you may have died when they in fact had a right to sue, even maybe if it was for what happened to them and that led to their death, then call us. TulsaPersonalInjuryLawyer.pro on the internet and 918-924-5528. I hope you never have to call us about a wrongful death case, but if you do, we'll take care of it and we'll take care of you.